I quoted Huwallazi arsala rasulahu bil huda wa dinil haq. I quoted Wama ramaita idh ramaita. I'm answering your questions, your quotes that you're giving from Masih Maud alayhi salam. He never said the Quran says that the Messiah will come in India. He said buruzi taur pe Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam ki ruhaniyat ne jawab diya. Then isharatun nas, if you focus on the ahadith, liyuhlikallahu fi zamanihi al-milala kullaha, where were these religions fighting? It was in India. That's why he had to come there. Then you said that ek shan ek martaba. I answered that. I told you the spiritual reality. I told you Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is the student, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the ustaz. Now I quote you Qat'iyud Dalala. Imtiaz, I brought your teachers from Pakistan. You didn't even address them. I brought Allama Khalid Mahmood Sahib. You didn't address him. Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad makes it clear that I am like a farzand. I am like a student. I am his slave, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam slave. And then he says, I drink from his fountain. Then he says, Bahasiyat Fanafi Rasul mujhe ye naam mila. You didn't address this. Fanafi Rasul, he gets his name. As for the concept of duality, I quoted 6 references. You didn't even touch them. Imam Rabbani says the highest stage of spirituality is that you can't tell a difference. He says, Nisbat ke ittihad mein tagayyur ki nisbat kuch nahi rehti. You didn't even answer one reference, Imtiaz Sahib. We could have done this on TikTok then. Why all these arrangements if you're just going to bring the quotes we learned in childhood, Imtiaz Sahib? I thought you promised me new references. You brought nothing new. You promised. I'm disappointed. Then I showed you that Tahzirun Nas says every Nabi is Zilla Naqs Muhammadi. Did you touch it? It's Ilhami Kitab, brother. Then I gave you Khwaja Ghulam Farid Sahib, you're a Kaber, you didn't address it. I gave you Fuyudul Haramain, you get the name of the Nabi. As for the Ba'ath, I explained to you, different ulama use different terminology. Shah Waliullah said when the Messiah comes, Nuskhatun Munassakha, he will be a clone of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Qari Tayyib Sahib said, Rutbatan, Makaman, Martabatan, he will have nisbat to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam like a father and a son. Ibn Arabi said he will have itla ala ruhe Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So why don't you brothers ever say anything about that? Then I quoted you that Imam Maktubat Rabbani, 1,000-year Mujaddid, was he writing against the Quran? Put the fatwa on them then. One side you say there are Mujaddideen, they did so much khidmah, if you speak against them, you're going against Islam. Then when they're presented in the debate, you hide from their references as if they shouldn't have been even sent to the earth. So they make it clear that when the Messiah comes, this will be his rank. As for First Ibn Mansabi, all of your ulama agree that Mukammil Ifa, Huwallazi arsala rasulahu ka Imam Mehdi ka waqt hoga. Shah Ismail Shaheed said this. He said, Ibtida Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam ki zamane mein hui thi. Ab Huwallazi arsala rasulahu bil huda. Ifa Mehdi ke zamane mein, even Rahmatullah Kiranvi said this. Taqi Usmani said, Allah ne unko chuna. Taqi Usmani said, Allah chose him. Yes, I stood up, so you're listening. I need answers, Imtiaz Sahib. Please, answer these questions.